Hi everyone, welcome to another shoe unboxing video. We're doing Fluevogs again today, and today we're actually doing, in this fancy ass box, the Jimmys. So they're Derby Swirls, or Derby Swirls, mixed with Jimi Hendrix, the tapestry black. Now these are a women's 11 or a men's size 9. They are actually probably half a size, if not a full size, too big for me, but I had to get them. They were on sale. I loved them so much I had to buy them. I just wear a thick pair of socks with them. See, they say Jimmy's there, and they're like this sort of wonderful, I can get the lid off, red through to purple. There we go. Let me get them out for you so you can have a look. This is what it says on the inside. Love call to all. Music is magic. All the swirls. And the paper. And now you can see why I had to get them even though they were a size too big. Because you can always stuff the toes or put socks on and tights. But you can't make a smaller one fit you. But you can make a bigger one fit you. And this is them. So it's actually a gold. It's not showing up particularly well, but this is a velvet brocade, velvet with embroidery, with leather. There's the sole of them. The Derby Swirl bottoms. I've worn them once. Actually, I think I've worn them twice so far. So let me get them out for you. So here they are. So they're a proper boot. I just think they're glorious. This is why they're called the Derby Swirl, because they have this swirl, and it's a range that they're all got the same swirl and the same sole. So this is the Derby Swirl family. This is how they look at the back. So they have a bit of a Doc Marten feel, but they're much more comfortable, I think. They've got the stitching, and they've got a nice round toe, like an almond shaped toe. How many eyelets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eyelets, and then it comes up in this lovely lift, and then it has the Fluevog tag, DDFT. I don't actually know what DDFT stands for. Someone in the comments, if you know, you can type it in for me, that'd be great. They're fully lined as well, and they're just really glorious. But as I said, I love this little shape here. It's all the little details that come with Fluevog. There's the angel from the Derby Swirl Angel collection, and it's just the little details, the double stitching throughout, the matching eyelets, the tongue loop which keeps the tongue from moving around too much, all these things, and even the tongue is brocaded or tapestried. So you know, it's, yeah, I think they're pretty damn fine, I have to say, which is why I don't wear them that often, because the weather, I don't want them getting damaged. But as I said, I did get them on sale, because they were really expensive. These ones were really expensive because they're Jimi Hendrix. Oh, here's the puss. The Jimi Hendrix collaboration was very expensive. Excuse me, thank you. So I could only get them when they're on sale, which is why I didn't get them in my actual size. But let me put them on and I'll show you what they're like. So here they are on. The pattern is not exact, but I quite like that. It's sort of slightly hot chocolate design style where you've got them complementary more so than exactly the same. That's what they look like on. So you can see that the height of them. There we go. They smell like leather too. Yeah, that lovely smell of leather. I love that smell. See if we can get this. We'll probably have to go the other side. There you go. That's a little bit of it. They really nicely come up the ankle, so they've got this lovely shape to them, as I said, which gives really good comfort level. You've got the support of the back panel of leather, which gives a bit of extra rigidity, so it's extra strong. And you've got, so I mean, they do probably look a little bit big for me, but I don't care. They're just beautiful and I want to wear them. I haven't tightened them up as much as I usually do, but the eyelets have a lovely feature to them on the inside. They're like the proper, if I can undo it, hang on, waxed lace, and there we go. You can see it's got that proper eyeletting. So yeah, they're they were a little bit of a splurge, these ones. Even though they were on sale, they were still quite expensive. I don't want to tell you how much because I have to look them up. But yeah, there we are. There are my Fluevog Derby Swirls. They're the only Derby Swirls I own at the moment. I'd love to own some more in my actual size because my toe is very loose around in here. But width-wise, they're really comfortable. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. As per usual, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week for another pair of shoes. Probably another Fluevogs, because I have quite a few Fluevogs. But we'll see how we go. There we are. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And see you next week. Bye.